Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fill up your information on Visit Japan web when you travel to Japan. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, this video we have done before on a desktop device. Today we are doing on a mobile device. So in front of you I have opened this Visit Japan web website. The very first thing you would do is to tap on create an account. So put your email and put your password again, and then uh, certify the captcha and go to next. I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So what happens is after you put your email and password and create your account, system sends a 6-digit code to your email that you have to put and get your account verified. Once done, you can log in. Okay, so I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so when you come, so you see the options. First is to register yourself, and if you have family members traveling with you, that you can add with you, and then you can register for planned entry exit. Okay, all right, so first I'm beginning with this. So this is asking for Japanese citizens, so I select no. When I will enter Japan with a, I select no. Do you use tax-free QR code? I select no. Do as per your own case. Passport detail, you can scan with camera or you can enter yourself. I'm selecting enter yourself. So passport number, surname, given name, nationality, date of birth, date of expiry. Okay, this is for expiry of passport. Occupation, home address, city name, and next. I'm gonna put some sample information and then I'm gonna see you guys. So in the next page, you need to verify all the details that you have entered and tap on register. Okay. You can come back to the home page, and if there are people, those who are traveling with you, you can go to the next tab and put their details. Now planned entry exit you can do from here. So it's asking for the visa details. So the highly recommended approach is to go for copy details from visa application. Otherwise you can proceed without also, but why to do that, right? There's no reason. This is a sample video, that's why I'm doing it, but in actual, go for the first one. Trip name. Okay, I put a date, airline company name, flight number, numbers only. Okay, put that. Next is address in Japan, where you are gonna stay. Wow. Address, phone, and put all the information that you have. I would never recommend that just fill mandatory. Put all the information that you have and then tap on confirm. Then you can come and do it register, and it will generate a QR code too for you, and with this you can go there. So this is how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.